As discussed, let's continue with our trip to the park as a part of the zero investment innovative idea of Seeing is Believing field trip. Today, we will be conducting some hands-on activities while we are at the park, followed by some inquiries based on these activities. Through this, we will be explaining the concepts of estimating the duration of familiar events and estimating length and distance. So, once we reach the park, ask the students to play while observing the various objects around them. Ensure that the students play under your guidance at the park. After this, we shall engage the students in a discussion-based activity that will lead them towards the concepts of estimating time, length and distance. As students think of possible responses, it will aid in developing their critical thinking and decision-making skills. After pointing out any two swings in the park, ask the students to look at them. Then, ask the students if they can guess the length of two swings in meters. Accept all responses. Next, ask the students, how much time will you take to run from the first swing to the second? Allow the students to respond. Inform the students that in this manner we can estimate the duration of time. Now, to lead the students towards the concept of estimating distance, ask them to look at the pavement or a path in the park. Allow the students to walk on this path and then ask, how long is the path? Accept all responses. Also, ask, how wide is the path? Allow the students to respond. Following this, let's ask, how much time did it take to cover the whole path? Accept all responses from the students. Once the students have responded, state that the length of the path is the total distance that they have covered while walking. Also, inform the students that the distance can be estimated by counting the steps that they have taken along the path as well. We will then conclude by allowing the students to play a little while longer in the park before taking them back to school. And with that, we have come to the end of the lesson. By implementing the innovative idea of Seeing is Believing field trip, the students will now be able to apply basic operations to real-life situations, calculate or estimate the duration of familiar daily events using forward or backward counting or addition and subtraction, estimate the length of an object or distance between two locations, respond to simple guidelines or announcements made in English in the classroom or at school, respond verbally or in writing to questions based on daily life experiences in English, and briefly describe personal experiences in English either orally or in writing. Tune in to our upcoming videos for more innovative teaching ideas like this. Until then, goodbye.